Welcome to Beardchanics garage. Today we attack the Touran.
I'm just going to have the grind something.
Alright, so it's actually been a few days, it's not freezing cold anymore.
Yes, okay. I'm going to make a distraction on you. Good girl.
Maisie working with us, so it's all going to be all good. Basically, I wanted to let some of the rust develop. What was nice with leaving the salt on everything is we got like nice leakage everywhere. And now I found my belt sander. The grinder is good to reach the metal, not so great to make the gradient going towards it, which I want in some places, so it's a bit more natural. But yeah, let me just take a view around the car quickly, then we'll get the belt sander out and do more sanding, and we've got to do the other side as well, because I'm quite pleased with the way it's turning out to be. So yeah, keep watching if you want to know how to ruin your car. So the boot, lovely look along the way, which means this got even more orange, so I wanted to end it this. Outer line here and stuff. Got more gradients to do here and there. It's kind of like it at the door handle, so I think maybe all door handles should get it. That one is nice and rusty, that's where the salt stayed the more. We'll throw more salt and stuff like that on it. And like I said in the previous episode, I kind of don't want just a plain one. So here I pressed the circle. I think we are going to go for number 13. So actually I met my partner on a 13 on like two kids were born in 13 house with number 13. So I just need to draw 13 on there and basically everything around the number and inside the circle will get sanded down, get more of a metal look. But yeah, you know, that's where it's at. And look at the lovely orange glow on my driveway from this guy. But anyway, got the belt sander out and destroy that car some more.
Alright, you might have got carried away with pens.
Brilliant there on the bitch.
Yeah, I find it kind of funny. Should have spaced that bit better.
Alright, sorry about the weird cut. GoPro said out of battery, yet it read 76%, so, you know, exactly.
See more where. And that's actually my light for the registration plate at night. Just in case.
Alright, so the attack session are finished, so we'll have a quick look around. As you can see, we are doing accessories as well over there. rusty too, so it goes with it. Yeah, I'm just leaving the salt on stuff. I know you can do the instant one, but I'm more throw stuff on it, then let it stick, and it kind of get more patchy, and it's, I don't know, kind of feel like it's a bit more natural rust, well, instant rust, it's too the same. Yeah, you know, I know it's not looking like final, but don't worry, it is in ground, it's going to rain a few times, and it will be all clean. I'm quite pleased as well. I've just touched up as well. My one was a bit too much, but you know, did a good job, I think. As you can see. Oh, and here we go, guys. Sorry I finished on the phone, and you know, it's a bit like, whoa, whoa, whoa. But the GoPro, for some reason, on time-lapse, no problem. In normal mode, it just keep like, ooh, I don't have any battery. Yet, it's still at 60% plus. But anyway, you get the point. And I think it's fair to say, we attacked every side. But you know what I realized at the end? I don't know if you can see. Yeah, here. This is too clean at the front there. But we are doing the roof rack so which then we can climb on top of the roof rack, which mean then I can do that bit. Plus, you know, that you get the grinder out. Anyway, do the stuff downstairs, you know, subscribe, like, blah, 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 blah.